If you want to build serious customer loyalty, not just make sales, the right CRM can make all the difference. CRMs like HubSpot and Zoho CRM give you powerful tools to track customer behavior, send personalized offers, and automate loyalty follow-ups. They're perfect for businesses looking to scale retention with smart segmentation and rewards tracking. Salesforce takes it further with custom loyalty workflows and deep analytics. But it's more advanced and best for larger teams. For small businesses, ActiveCampaign blends email marketing and CRM beautifully, so you can build loyalty campaigns and track engagement without extra tools. And if you're in retail or e-commerce, Klaviyo and Sendinblue integrate with stores and CRMs to trigger loyalty rewards based on real-time purchases. Whether you're offering points, perks, or just VIP experiences, these CRMs help you do it all, automatically and at scale. Loyalty isn't random, it's built, and the right CRM makes it repeatable.